Hello folks, welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to see how to set up Maven. So far, we have created an EC2 instance on AWS Cloud and installed Java. As I mentioned in the previous lecture, we are going to download our Maven packages from this location. So just right click and copy the link address, go back to our Maven, and currently I'm under root directory. I'm going to under /opt. It's a optional directory where we can configure these kind of packages. Now to download these packages, we need to use a command called wget. Okay. If you are not familiar much about the Linux commands, I have done a dedicated course on Linux for cloud and DevOps engineers. Maybe you can have a look. So wget is the command and we just copying the link which we have copied and download it. It takes a while. Yes, we have downloaded and you can see this is the package we just downloaded. Once we have downloaded, we need to extract it. For that, tar minus xvzdef. This is the command we should use and file name which we have downloaded. It has been extracted, and if I go here and go inside to Apache Maven 3.6.3, okay, these all are the files. Now how we have set up the home path for our Jenkins, similar way we need to set up path for Maven as well. So for that I'm just copying the path of our Maven. Even we can rename this directory if you need some easy name. Now we need to set up our Maven home path. For that we need to edit our bash underscore profile again. So /dot bash underscore profile. Okay. So this is the file and where we have updated our Java home. Similar way, I'm going to update Maven. For Maven, we need to use m2 underscore home. Okay. This is the command we should use m2 underscore home and the path of the Apache Maven where we have extracted, and also we have one more command, that is m2 is equal to /opt maven /bin. We need to give /bin. That's it. Once this is done, again we need to add these two to our path. So $m2 colon $m2 underscore home. Okay, so that's it. Now I'm going to save this file, and again if I execute echo $path, okay, it is not reflected yet. If I do source and the file name where we have updated our path variables, and if I do again echo $path, this time we could able to see the Maven path as well. Okay, this is how we are going to update it, but Java path, it has been updated twice because we have done the source twice. Anyway, if you log off and log in again, it disappears. So to validate whether we have set up our Maven path correctly or not, we need to use a command called mvn minus minus version. This is the command to check out version. Is there any typo? Minus minus version. Yes, you can see now our Maven home path is /opt Apache Maven and it is using the Java version. This is how we can set up the Maven. In next lecture, we are going to see how we can build our code in the Linux operating system by using the commands. Thanks for watching and see you there.